Cira Family Homeschooling. Nah, hari ini kita mau baca buku about cars and trucks and things that go. This book by Richard Scarry. Let's open it. Ooh. Okay. Nah, di sini you can see this one, there is garbage truck, and then there is fuel oil truck, there is auto plan, and then there is tow truck, and there is mail van, and this one is Ma and Pa house. So
and Kyrie's house.
And Kyrie's house. So this is the main character of the story. There is Ma, Pa, Pickles, and Penny Pig. Usually every night I will tell story to Kyrie about bedtime story about this book, but I change the name of the character become Mommy, Daddy, Dede Rukawa, and
Kyrie.
So the story is about they are going to a picnic. Here comes Ma with the picnic basket, and then the daddy said, "Please hurry up, Ma."
And Ma say yes.
And Ma said yes. And they want to go to the picnic. The pigs are going to the beach to have their picnic. But first, Pa has some shopping to do. He is going to order some things to be delivered to their home. And I wonder what those things could be. But look at this. There is a terrible driver coming in. Did you see that? Dingo Dog has knocked down almost all the parking meters. Count how many parking meters? 1, 2.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There is 7 parking meters fall down because of Dingo. What a terrible driver! I think Officer Flossie is going to give him a ticket. At least she is going to try. We will see. Okay. We'll see if he succeeds. This is the Officer Flossie. Then Officer Flossie said, "Beep, beep, 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 beep. Hey you!
No.
Terrible driver! Stop you! I'll catch you." And then, can you see where is Dingo driver?
Yeah.
Dingo is really go so fast. Dingo drives off before Officer Flossie can give him a ticket. Oh, that Dingo is so naughty. Go get him, Officer Flossie. And then, Pa Pig drives past a truck carrying a statue. Did you see who is the bag with the statue? Penny and Pickles. And yes, say Pickles, it's a gold bug. He shows up just about everywhere. This is the statue. Ooh. In here you can see there is a tilt cap truck, there is a sports car, there is a tractor, there is a trailer, and the pig family drives by a broken down truck. It won't be broken down for long, say Pa. I saw Mistress Mouse working on it. This is a Mistress Mouse. Repair the tin cap truck here.
I want to find.
Okay, later we can find the sports car, okay? And then the pigs drive past a lumber camp.
Humble.
This one is the lumber. The lumberjacks are busy gathering logs from the trees and they have to cut down. The log loader truck will take the logs to the sawmill. They will be cut into boards of all sizes. So house and toys and all kinds of wooden things can be made from them. What is this guy? Crane.
Crane.
Do you like crane?
Yes.
See, what is that? This is a mobile crane.
Mobile.
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 Means he can move.
Can mobile drive?
This is the mobile.
Can mobile drive
Mm-hmm.
it wheel?
Mm-hmm.
Drive it with this one?
Yep, this is to stay in the ground. And then, faster Flossie, faster, go get Dingo. But where is the last call? Can you see him? That's right. Look, there is Mistress Mouse again. And this time she is towing a tow truck. Hi there, Goldbug, wherever you are. Hehehehe.
It's hitting something.
Yep, and then the baggage compartment on the bus has come open. Someone's things are flying out. Duck Pa! Duck Ma! Oh dear, Ma didn't duck soon enough. Which one?
For me, every car is flying.
Mm-hmm.
Why cannot?
And then there is a sports car again. And then what is this?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. There is a cheese truck, so funny. And there is a school minibus.
I don't know where Dingo.
Yep. We will see. Where is Dingo? You need to see. There is this one. This is the Officer Flossie.
And this the Dingo.
Where is Dingo? Where is the Dingo? Aha! I found it. So right now, water is flowing into the pig's family car. I think someone had better fix it.
Look, it's an excavator.
No, this is a big ditch digger.
Bitch, dig.
It's a digger. Excavator is this one. Excavator. Ooh, what is this? Okay, what is this called?
Fuck lock.
No, this is a dump truck.
Dump truck.
And then, my word, what is happening here? Mrs. Rabbit calls to Mr. Rabbit to tell him where she wants him to dump the wheelbarrow. But Mr. Rabbit cannot hear her. So Mrs. Rabbit shouts as loud as she can. So loud that all the truck drivers think she is shouting at them. Dump it there! Still, Mr. Flossie still want to catch the Mr. Dingo. But where is Mr. Dingo?
Sports car.
This one is Mr. Dingo.
Which-
Look there, says Penny.
Sports car.
Mhm.
That's
Still, in here, Mr. Flossie still cannot find where is Mr. Dingo. Now what? Charlie the carpenter has just bought a bag of nails. There was a hole in the bag. Now there are holes in almost all the tires. What do you see in here? There is a ditch digger. There is a motor scooter.
which one is scooter?
This one is motor scooter. There is trolley bus.
Trolley bus.
Huh?
Huh? What is trolley bus?
It's a bus, but has something like this on top.
Trolley.
The heavy roadwork machine scrape and push the dirt to make smooth the roadbed for a new road.
Why new road?
They want to make a new road.
Why is this?
This is a motor grader.
What's this?
That one is a tractor scraper. This is a dump truck. Bulldozer.
This one.
A wheel loader.
This one.
Dump truck.
This one.
Dump over dump truck.
This one.
This one is a motor grader.
What's motor grader?
To make the road
So
really.
So funny.
This is a banana mobile.
This.
Okay, continue. Here are more workers and more roadwork machines. Some workers are not watching what their machine are doing.
What is Mr. Dingo?
Where is Mr. Dingo?
Gone.
Gone.
Why gone?
Don't know. But look, I think I would rather have a carrot car, says Pickle. Where is the carrot car? That's so funny. Oh, see, Mr. Flossie is here. And Mr. Flossie really want to catch Mr. Dingo. Where is Mr. Dingo? Tada! Here is it. Ma, Pig sees that they are running low on gas, so she drives into the gas station to fill up the tank. I can't find Goldbug, but I cannot see the pig family. Where do you suppose they have gone? Restroom. Which one are you? I'm this one. Okay. Oh, what is this? This is. The pigs have bought their corn and are on the way to the beach for their picnic. They are passing an army camp. This is an army camp.
What is army camp?
To protect the city. Look at all the soldiers. This is the army. There is the landing craft. There is a motorcycle and sidecar. There is jeep. And then there is tractor motorcycle. There is a tank. They are ready to go to a war. Army car.
Army what?
Army car.
Army car.
Oh, Piggy, you made a mistake. They are arrived. Look at this. This is the beach.
But the car is stuck.
The car is stuck. How come? Because the sand stuck in. At last, we are the beach and we are going to have a nice quiet picnic. Pa, maybe you should put a shirt on. I think you are getting sunburned. And then the pa said, okay, I'll be alright. See, they are in picnic right now. Ooh, what is this? The picnic is over and Pa is not alright. He is all red. Wow, what a sunburn. Pa is also all stuffed with food. A nap is just what he needs. So my drives for a while. Close your mouth when you sleep, Pa. This is a air cushion ferry.
Air cushion. Why is air cushion ferry?
This is a ferry. Ferry is like a ship, a big ship, so you can insert car in it. Ooh, flies everywhere.
Fly everywhere.
2 golfers have lost their golf balls in the garbage dump. Please help find them. The noise of the rolling watermelons awakens Pa. Ma stops and Pa takes a snow chance. They have come down out the mountains and there are no more snow. Now Ma is helping Pa put the top down as the snow is all melted. Well, almost all melted. There is a runaway watermelons in here. Oh no, I never thought I would see an accident as bad as this one. This is what I would call some accident. It just doesn't seem possible, does it? But there you are, you can see for yourself. And poor Mistress Mouse, it will probably take her 1,000,000 years to fix everything. Luckily, no one was badly hurt. See, Mr. Flossie want to take the Mr. Dingo. Wow, so bad. And sure enough, here they are, back, safe, home again. They all stay together. In front of their house, a delivery man is just leaving. And then, what are those boxes on the front lawn? asked Ma. And then Penny asked, what are those boxes in the front lawn? Also Pickles, what are those boxes in front of the lawn? And then, actually, they want to have a new neighbor. Yay! And then, finally, Mr. Dingo stay in front of Pa and Ma's house. Look, cannot move anywhere because the car is broken. Look at the steering wheel. and the wheels. And then Mr. Flossie said, beep, 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 beep. Hey! You, Mr. Dingo, stop you! I got you at last. And then Mr. Dingo said, phew, I'm tired. Well, at last Officer Flossie has finally caught that dingo. When will he ever learn to drive properly? Probably never, but we can always hope for the best. Hasn't it been an exciting day?
Where is the sports?
Later. The end.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.
Thanks for watching.